I'm not even high up yet. Okay, how did you do that?
You already fall.
I'm like Spider-Man. Oh God! Oh my God! Scared. I'm so scared. I'm too high. Why did I go this way?
I don't know how I'm gonna get down here.
Oh no!
Emily, I'm queen of the world. I think I'm gonna die.
Marissa's like clinging to a rock.
Okay. If I was a guy, I could totally pee right now and have no problem. But when you're a girl, you have to squat. And you end up peeing on yourself when you squat.
No, you're not. Marissa's gonna fall.
Yeah, I'm gonna fall. Do you see me